My name is Elise Gibbs, and this is Scientific Thinking for 3rd grade, Lesson 7, called Investigating Light. In this lesson, students investigate the properties of light and the rules that bind light. So the first experiment they do is a discovery of how light works. Each pair or group of students gets 5 of these cards with holes in them, and they are supposed to figure out how to get the light from a flashlight through. Okay, let me try that one again. Okay, the first experiment students do is discovering how to get light through all 5 cards without interrupting it. So they line up the cards like this, and they learn that the holes must be lined up exactly for the light to get from one side all the way to the other. And in that case, they learn that light travels in a straight line. The next thing that students will work on is using mirrors to reflect light with their flashlight. When they aim the flashlight this way, they can use a mirror to reflect the light that way. So in a sense, bending light. The next part of the lesson is whole group. The teacher uses the laser light, talking about safety of laser, not to shine in eyes or use to scare others. You can ask for a volunteer to help you with this one, but the laser, you cannot see the beam, so you use your cornstarch water mix to spray, and then they can see the beam of light. So once the beam is established, you can use the mirror to show the line of the light hitting the mirror and beaming back, and they can see the actual reflection of the light stream. The final part of the lesson is, it's not the final part. The next part of the lesson is how prisms refract light. So students will need to go outside for this piece, and it can be done separately if necessary. They go outside, try to catch the sun, and see if they can find a rainbow, which leads into the final portion of the light lesson, which is how we see light. White light from a flashlight or from the sun is a combination of all the colors visually, and when you're looking at an object, like a flat piece of paper, if you see blue, that means that the blue light is being reflected and everything else is being absorbed. They also use these little clear pieces of plastic in which, when the light shines through, all of the other light is being absorbed, the blue light is shining through. Students will use their investigation book to talk about what reflected, refracted, and absorbed means, and they will also glue the pieces of the clear plastic down to show what it looks like combined versus not combined. And that is lesson 7.
Cool.